My name is Michelle Baker and I am the project director for iUTAH. And today I wanted to tell you about the environmental observatory that we built called GAMUT, which stands for Gradients Along Mountain to Urban Transitions. The purpose of this observatory was to lay a foundation for research that's interdisciplinary, that addresses water issues and addresses issues of population growth and climate change that the state of Utah will face in the coming years. More importantly, we have large data gaps in knowing how much water is available and what its quality is and how that changes as we move from the mountains, which are our water sources, through the cities. So our goal is to provide information that can be of use to both researchers and water managers throughout our state.
I am the instrumentation technician in Red Butte, so I work for the University of Utah, and I focus on the GAMUT stations in the Butte Creek watershed. So I installed and I manage 4 climate stations, 5 aquatic stations, and then 4 additional storm drain stations where we're looking at discharge from storm events. So we're collecting a huge amount of data, everything from precipitation and solar radiation at the climate stations to basic aquatic parameters like pH, specific conductance, dissolved oxygen, water temperature, things like that at the aquatic stations. So it's really a huge range that's hopefully useful to researchers at the different universities and potentially stakeholders.
When Utah State started to come up and get involved with iUTAH, we signed on pretty quickly because one of the weaknesses that we as a city face is having good quality data to evaluate water quality impacts. The advantage for iUTAH is it provides a data management source that can collect that data, quality control and quality check it, and then store and warehouse that data so it's not just available to Logan City. It's available to all of the irrigation and canal companies which are concerned about water quality. It's available to the Division of Water Quality themselves here in Utah. It's available to EPA. It's available to Utah State for research.
I'm Amber Jones and I'm the data manager for iUTAH and a member of the cyber infrastructure team. What is cyber infrastructure? It's the integration of hardware and software to support the large volumes of data that are being collected by iUTAH. In addition to data quantity, we also address data quality. So the cyber infrastructure tools that we've developed, they can help provide better understanding for the data in a few ways. One is having data available in real time gives immediacy to the conditions that are actually occurring. Having the data viewed simultaneously with a map viewer gives spatial context for where those conditions are occurring. And having the ability to view multiple variables at once can provide better understanding of the actual biophysical or hydrologic processes. Anyone can view the data that's being collected by iUTAH. All of the data being collected at our monitoring sites is open access. It's publicly available online. We've tried to make the data as searchable as possible. So there's a map viewer and a panel for faceted browsing, which is used to filter data sets based on watershed, site, variable, etc. Select the data series of interest, and it will be plotted in the next panel. It can also be downloaded as a file to use in other software or for a specific analysis.
I'd like to invite you, whether you're a water manager, whether you're interested in water quality or stormwater, or just generally interested in water in your area, to visit our website at data.iutahupscore.org.